Hello student, welcome to Max Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the DFCCL exam update. What was the total number of candidates who has appeared for the CBT examination. I have made one more video of that which I have explained only for the operation and business development post. For this video I have explained all the different posts which they have appeared for the particular candidate for that particular discipline. So I have filed the RTI and get the details of all those things. So you need to stay at the end of the video. We will discuss all these details in this video. So if you have any type of query, do mention in comment box. And if you need one-to-one interaction, then do join our Telegram channel which I have mentioned in a video description. So let's begin with the video. So as you are aware of, the DFCCL has already concluded the successfully of all the examination based on different discipline, and few of the student has already filed the RTI to get the details of all the other number of candidates who is appeared for the CBT examination. Mention the question related to the post of a junior executive for the signal and communication. So they told that the total number of applications appeared for the examination around 2600. In that EWS was around 120 and 1000 for the OBC NCL, SC was 755 and ST was 171 and unreserved for the 523. Similarly for the junior executive mechanical, there are total 2800 applicants are appeared the particular examination. In that 80 for the EWS, 934 for the OBC NCL, and around in 900 was SC and 240 for ST and 630 around unreserved candidate are there. Similarly for the executive post of mechanical, around total 4500 applicant has appeared the examination, and total around 100 are EWS, 814 around OBC NCL, and total 1500 appeared for the SC. Similarly 430 for the ST and 1700 around unreserved candidate. Going ahead with the executive for the operation and BD, total 72,203 candidates are appeared the examination. In that 4,100 are for the EWS category, 22,000 around for the OBC NCL, for the SC around 20,000, and similarly for the 7,000 for the ST, and 18,800 around unreserved candidate. Going ahead with the junior executive for the electrical post, around 13,000 people are appeared for that particular post. In that 587 for the EWS, around 6,000 are appear for the OBC NCL. Similarly for the 3,400 for the SC and 1,000 for the ST, and 2,080 for the unreserved candidate, around 2,060 for the unreserved candidate. Going ahead with the executive civil, around 38,000 candidate are appeared that examination. In that 2,200 around for the EWS, and similarly for the OBC around 13,000, and SC and ST around 9,900 and 4,000, and for the like unreserved candidate was 8,967, that is around 900 candidates are appeared in that particular category. Similarly for the executive signal and telecommunication, total number of candidates around 20,000. In that unreserved was 4,500. Going ahead with the junior manager civil, total candidate around 20,000. In that 4,967 for the unreserved candidate and 875 for the EWS. If you going ahead with the mechanical, the total number of candidates are appear for the junior manager mechanical post, total was 3,500. In that unreserved was 1,236, and for the EWS was only 69. Similarly for the other post like OBC, SC, ST, they have mentioned over here. Going ahead with the executive for the electrical, total number of candidates appear in the examination around 29,000, and unreserved category was around 6,164 candidates are appear in that particular category. Going ahead with the junior executive for the operation and BD, around 60,000 appear in the examination. In that 13,459 for the operation and BD for the unreserved candidate. So going ahead with the junior manager for the operation and BD, in that 5,000 candidates are appear for this post, and in that 1,760 for the unreserved candidate, and 151 for the EWS, and similarly for the OBC, SC, NT are they are mentioned over here. If you consider the total number of applications, they have received around 22,68,976, and similarly they have mentioned for the different category like unreserved category, OBC, SC, ST and EWS as well. So these RTI are filed for the student for the detailed number of candidates who is appeared for the CBT examination. If you need any more information related to this or any other things, do mention in comment box. If you want one-to-one interaction, then do join the Telegram channel which I have mentioned in the description link, which is already over there. You can just click and join the Telegram group. And if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel and also give the feedback to our videos. Thanks for